Thank you, Honorable Speaker. The widespread communication strategy includes visiting these villages. So, for example, your village I just saw yesterday in Verata, I just saw our staff actually spraying, doing perifocal spraying. So we actually visit them. I've been involved in quite a lot of them. We sit down and we talk with the Turani Koros and the community health workers. We also give them, for example, after TCIASA up in Vunulevu, we gave them a A4 piece of paper which included the important things they need to watch out for and the phone numbers of health staff that they could contact. And the phone numbers were both in Vodafone and Digicel so that they can be able to contact them. What is becoming very apparent is that there are some settlements in some communities in some villages, despite the many visitations, they don't have the urge as other villages have done. And again, I ask us all in this August House to be able to help the Ministry of Health, because the Ministry of Health staff, they are continuously going out into the community, providing awareness, helping with sanitation in terms of building latrines, but we need to be able to ask the leadership within the settlements and the communities to take heed of the advice. The other thing is, and this is what the community health workers have raised with me, is that because they are women, sometimes their voice is not heard. And I think it's important that we encourage our village leadership to understand that they are the point of contact for the Ministry of Health. And the advice that they give not because of they themselves, but they give it on our behalf. We have trained them, we provide ongoing workshops for them, and they are our point of contact and focal points within the villages and the settlements. And they must also listen to the advice and do what's necessary in terms of social reduction. Thank you, Honorable. I hope the Honorable Member will help us in this regard. Laka.